In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign via link to students in Canva. This is a quick and reliable way to share a design with your class so they can access exactly what you've prepared without any confusion. I'll walk you through the process, explain what each option does, and share a few simple tips to keep things smooth. Start by opening the design you want your students to work on. This could be a worksheet, a template, a presentation, anything you've created or customized. Once your design is open, look to the top right corner of the editor. You'll see a button labeled Assign. That's the gateway to turning your design into an assignment your students can access. When you click Assign, you'll be given a choice of how to share it. Make sure the type is set to Assign via link. If you notice it's on a different option, simply change it to Assign via link. This option is ideal because it creates a unique link that you can share anywhere: your learning management system, a class website, or a message to your students, so they can open the assignment in just one click. After confirming Assign via link, click Continue. This tells Canva to prepare the assignment for sharing. In a moment, your assignment will be ready. You'll see a couple of ways to distribute it. First, you can click Copy Link. This copies a shareable link to your clipboard, and you can paste it wherever your students will see it. It's a great choice if you want easy, immediate access with minimal steps for your learners. If you'd like an extra layer of control, you can also click Get Assignment Code. With this option, students will be prompted to enter a short code before they can open the assignment. It's helpful if you want to limit access to just your class, or if you're sharing the link in a place where others might see it. A few quick tips before you send it out. Test the link or the code yourself in a private window to make sure everything opens correctly. Keep the link or code handy in case a student needs it again later, and share a brief note with your class about what you expect them to do once they open the assignment. And that's it. Open your design, choose Assign via link, click Continue, then share the link or assignment code. You're all set to get your students working right away.